Hi students, I wanted to show you today a little bit about how to move around on PowerSchool Learn. So this is the home page. When you open up your virtual school PowerSchool Learning page for your grade level, it will show you your grade level right here, and it will be for whichever grade level you are in. So some of these pages are going to look very similar to each other for right now, and then as we get along through the school year, they'll start to look a little different. Right now on the home page, a couple of things that I have on there is how to get to my live Zoom office hours. You can just click this link right here and it'll take you right there. Don't forget you will have to put in the passcode. And then over here on this side, I'm just going to post a reminder. You will always want to make sure that you have check for any announcements or messages. And how you do that is you go up here to the Messages tab and you pull that down. And if there's any announcements, it will be over here. So you can see that there is an announcement here. I'll need to change this to 3rd grade. For this learning page, it's just saying, hey, welcome to the page. And then also underneath here, you might have a message in your inbox. And this looks very similar to an email system. So you can see that this would be your inbox, and listed here you could have messages like it would be for an email. You can reply to any of those messages. You have more actions here that you can forward that message on to somebody. You can mark the message as unread, mark it read. You can reply to everyone in the message. Sometimes the message might be for everyone in our group. Sometimes it might be a personal message to you. If you're making drafts, you can always save them just like an email here. This is your sent folder, so anything that you have actually sent to someone would be located here. And then of course this is your trash, so anything that you have deleted. So back to the pages that I just got up here in this tab here. Okay, so this over here is just a reminder to make sure you always go and check for announcements and messages under your Message tab. Okay, the next tab that's up here that I wanted to show you is the Calendar tab. Okay, so the Calendar tab is up here, and I want to show you that it is done by each month. Okay, and I just have put different things here on the calendar. So my Zoom hours are loaded in there right now. So you might also want to go to the next month. So you could jump forward to the next month. Those of you that are in grades kindergarten through 4th grade will notice that there is Picture Day on the 9th of September, and of course no school on Labor Day, September 7th. So you can just keep clicking around this button here to go back and forth. If you want to see just today, then you can click to that button and it will go right back to where today is. You can print this calendar if you want. Just know that I'm updating this calendar all the time, so if you print it out on one day, it could be updated the very next day. So I would suggest maybe just keeping it checked each day. It might be just part of your routine maybe to check it each day. Okay, so that is something that you can also get to up here in these tabs right up here. So back to our pages over here. Remember, this is the home page, and the home page will just have really important information on it that I want to always make sure you have access to easily and quickly, so it will always be listed at the top. I am going to always have a Florida Virtual School page on here. So right now you can see I have our demo website located here along with what you're putting in for your username and your password. Then also over here I have the elementary support guide, the iPad support guide, and then the course descriptions if you're still working on telling me what you want for your elective, either art or technology. And these are live links, so you can just click on anything that is blue you can see that it's showing up as a little hand, and that will just direct you right to what you need to look at for those items. Okay, so this is the Florida Virtual School page. I also have down here on these pages our contact information. So this is the contact information for the 3rd grade page. So of course I have everyone listed here. Anything that is blue is a live link, so if you want to just quickly email me instead of messaging me, although you can message me in this system, I will get it that way as well. So either way, you can email me or message me in PowerSchool. It doesn't matter, I will get either one of those. Over here there is a fun little document that Mrs. Paramore has sent to me, and I've put on here that you can find out a little bit more about Mrs. Paramore. So just fun contact information about the people that are on our team for virtual school. And then I am, for right now, putting some beginning of the year information in this page. Right now I'm still leaving up here the virtual school parent orientation meeting. So if your parents did not get a chance to watch this or attend one of those orientation meetings and they'd like to watch this, they can go ahead and click on this button and it will take them directly to the YouTube page to watch that. So the other one that I have not shown you is this Activities tab. And for right now, we aren't really going to be using this Activities tab because we're not really going to be having our assignments and our assessments or discussions or any of these things in PowerSchool Learning. All of our activities will be in the Florida Virtual School. So remember, this tab really isn't going to be used very much. There might be a few times where I give you a poll, which is like a question-answer document, but for right now, all I'm going to be doing is really using the pages for communication, the calendar for communication, and the messages tab for communication. So this Activities tab for our PowerSchool Learning, those of you that may have used PowerSchool Learning in the past, we really will not be using this tab much this year because all of these activities are going to be done in Florida Virtual School. So that's our quick lesson in PowerSchool Learning for today. If you have any questions, please make sure that you send me a message or an email and I'll be glad to answer your questions, or you can jump on to my live Zoom hours. Talk to you soon. Bye.